when you first call up approach, you're going to call up approach, and for example with us it'd be helicopter November 8625 kilo. If approach answers and says helicopter calling Toledo approach, stand by, that means you cannot enter. You have to remain outside the Class Charlie airspace until he calls you before you can get in. If he replies with helicopter November 8625 kilo, stand by, then he's acknowledging you. You can go on and enter the Class Charlie airspace. Means he's busy with something else and he's going to get back to you right away. Probably there's not much traffic in that Class Charlie, so he's not that concerned about you and he's going to get back to you right away. So examiner is going to ask you this on your check ride. 99.9% guaranteed he's going to ask you about the Class Charlie. So recap real quick. When you call approach, if they say helicopter calling standby or aircraft calling standby, you cannot enter the Class Charlie. If you get, for in our case example, helicopter November 8625 kilo standby, that means you can enter the Class Charlie airspace and he's going to get back to you very soon. So hopefully that helps. Please click the like button, share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter, and visit our blog site if you haven't been there for a while at fwhihelicopters.com. Thanks. See you later.